Hello, little explorers. Welcome to our beautiful garden. Today, Charlie, Benny, and Bella are going to discover a secret superpower we all have.
Whoa, look at this big twig. I'm going to climb it. Oops. Oh, look, I got a tiny scratch on my arm.
Charlie, are you okay? It looks like a little mark. Does it hurt? It looks kind of interesting, like a little map.
That's right, Benny. That scratch is showing us something amazing. Our skin is like a magical superhero suit that protects us every single day. Think of your skin as a shield. It keeps the good things in and the bad germs out. It's the largest organ in your whole body.
Wait, does my skin help me stay cool too? Sometimes I feel tiny bumps when I'm chilly.
Exactly, Bella. Those are goosebumps. Your skin uses them and sweat to keep your temperature just right, like your very own air conditioner.
Look, the sun is hitting my back. It feels warm and sparkly. Is my skin making something?
Yes. When the sun touches you, your skin makes vitamin D. It's like a solar panel that helps your bones stay strong and healthy. Now, let's look closer. Underneath your skin are millions of tiny messengers called nerves. They help you feel the world around you.
I can feel the soft grass and this cold stone. It's like my fingers are talking to my brain.
And when you felt that scratch, Charlie, your skin sent a pain alarm. It's a helpful signal to tell you to be careful. But don't worry, your skin is an expert builder. Watch what happens to Charlie's scratch. Tiny helpers called platelets are rushing to the rescue.
Look, the scratch is turning into a little brown shield. It's a scab. It's like a band-aid made by my own body.
Under that scab, new skin cells are growing fast. When they are ready, the scab will just fall off, leaving fresh skin behind.
Wow, skin is so smart. Hey, friends at home, let's play a game. Can you guess what I'm feeling with my eyes closed?
Is it a fluffy cloud? No. It's a soft rose petal. Our skin knows exactly what it is just by touching it.
So remember, your skin protects you like a shield, helps you feel the world, and even heals itself. Isn't the human body amazing?
My arm is all better. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to take care of your wonderful skin.
See you next time for more garden adventures. Keep being curious and keep exploring.